My friends, welcome back to how many circular 3D printed layers can hold me out of nylon with carbon fiber. Safety beanbag, 2 more beanbags, and we're set. 1, 5 nylon circles, 10 nylon layers. Well, it's starting to hold a bit. We don't have many left, so 20 circles. This is all I have printed left. 61 layers from nylon. So this shape was not a W for nylon and carbon fiber. It broke faster than the PLA ones. I also got this carbon fiber part laying around, so we might as well test it, right? Holy shit! Holy shit! Yo, this feels strong, dude! Peace out!